Hello, your girl is back and your girl cut some bangs. And yes, that was as scary as it sounds. I cut them myself and it could have been a 911 situation. But no, I'm really happy with the results. I'm feeling very Farrah Fawcett. I'm feeling very 60s Bollywood screen queen. So yeah, I'm going to do a little Bollywood 60s makeup moment using our 2-in-1 shade Sharmeen, and I'm going to make it monochromatic. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I create the look. So I'm starting with the eyes for this look purely because it is honestly the trickiest part for me to do, and I need like all the, I guess, patience and determination to just get through this one step. So making it the first is always crucial when it comes to my makeup. Also, you'll notice that I apply the product kind of piece by piece. So I usually do the outer corner or the middle and then the inner corner, just so it's kind of easier for me to do. So that's a little tip I've learned along the way. Okay, so now time to add some color and life to this face. I'm going to go in with the hydrating matte lipstick and coat a bristled, tapered, feathered brush. Can't remember, but basically a brush of some sort, and I'm going to coat it and then slowly apply the product from the brush to my cheeks until I've reached my perfect cheek tint. Okay, so to my favorite part, the lips, I'm going to use both ends of the 2-in-1 product. I'm going to go in first with the hydrating matte lipstick to really create a moisturized, hydrated lip moment, because you're not going to catch me with crusty lips in 2020. Then I'm going to line, define, and shape my lips using the long-lasting liquid lipstick end of the 2-in-1 product. I might even overline a little just to be a little fraudulent because, you know, I feel bigger is better when it comes to 60s makeup. Hello, okay, so this is the final look. I'm so happy with how it's all come together. As you already know, I've gone in with Sharmeen for a beautiful wing liner, a stunning cheek tint, and then a really pigmented, comfortable pop of a fuchsia pink lipstick. I'll come in closer. Okay, come through natural lighting with like the ambience and atmosphere. Sorry about the lighting as well throughout the video. I know it's changing and whatnot. It's just the nature of using natural light. But yes, now that we're in close, I just wanted to show you how the look has all come together. Look at that wing liner. It's just so beautiful and pigmented, but like the perfect shade of pink. I guess for like an everyday look even. I know that hot pinks are really popular, but I wouldn't gravitate towards them naturally for a wing liner just because I feel they're so intense. But I feel Sharmeen is just like the perfect, like deep tone of pink to make it an everyday, if you know what I mean. And then of course the cheek tint, which I love. It's just so pretty and feminine, which, you know, you can never go wrong when it comes to the cheeks. And then of course the pigmented lip. What more do you want? That's it. But yes, that is my take on a Bollywood 60s glam moment. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to purchase Sharmeen or any of our other 2-in-1 shades, simply head to the description box for all the links and all the details, and I will tune in with you next time. Bye.